The forthcoming Galaxy S24 phones are rumored to contain significant internal improvements. Additionally, outside images of dummy models have surfaced and they resemble previous releases. Sunny Dixon shared images of all three Galaxy S24 models, the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Only the three protruding camera lenses are visible on the back of the smaller two variants, which have flat sides and rounded corners. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra draws attention with its two additional lenses for cameras on the rear and its rectangular design. Prior CAD-based render leaks revealed the phone's dimensions, which are 162.3 by 79.0 by 8.7 mm and are only a millimeter different than the S23 Ultra. Unfortunately, no front-facing images have been released of the dummies, but it is predicted that the latest Ultra will look flatter. It will also probably weigh the same, while not being completely flat. The Galaxy S24 Plus is anticipated to be 158.5 by 75.9 by 7.75 mm in size, while the standard S24 is predicted to be 147.0 by 70.5 by 7.6 mm, which is around 1 mm smaller than the S23 Plus and S23. With their 2024 flagship, Samsung is rumored to go from armor aluminum to titanium frames. Despite the fact that the dummy are all painted white, there are indications of 4 primary color options, plus potentially some others that might only be available at the Samsung store. Regarding screens, there are reports that the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will all include LTPO panels, which is a significant advancement. Upgrades to the back cameras are anticipated, with the majority of adjustments aimed at improving the Extreme model. The Galaxy S24 series dummy units resemble the iPhone more than the prior Galaxy model. The likelihood that the mock-ups provide a decent representation of the real phone's design increases with their near resemblance to the leaked photos of the smartphone. For full confirmation, we still need to wait for Samsung to formally announce the phone, but January of 2024 is not too far off. It is expected that a Samsung Unpacked event in the US will take place in January to announce the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.